Keshav Kunj, the brand new identity and headquarters of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the RSS, right here in the heart of Delhi's Jhandewalan area. Built over 5 lakh square feet on a sprawling 4-acre campus, this state-of-art facility is set to become the nerve center of the RSS's operations. This building, which is built at a cost of 150 crore rupees, entirely funded by public donations. Keshav Kunj is more than just an office. This is a symbol of RSS's growing presence and evolving needs. 75,000 donors contributed anywhere between 5 rupees to several lakhs for making this complex a collective effort. The complex is marked by 3 towering blocks, Sadhana, Prerna and Archana, each with a distinct purpose. Sadhana is dedicated to the RSS's office spaces, while Prerna and Archana serve as residential complexes. Together, these towers house 300 rooms, conference halls and a modern auditorium. As we step inside, the scale and design of this new headquarters are evident. Spacious lobbies, well-equipped meeting rooms and auditoriums built to host large gatherings. There are 3 auditoriums here with a combined capacity of over 1,300 people. One of them, named after former VHP President Ashok Singhal, features stadium seating and cushioned sofa chairs offering a comfortable setup for large events. The open space is at the heart of the campus with a manicured lawn and a statue of the RSS founder Keshav Baliram. This is where daily shakhas will be held, a tradition deeply embedded in RSS culture. The library in the campus on the 10th floor offers research spaces dedicated to the Sangh's work. There's also a 5-bed hospital to ensure medical care for members. The campus includes mess and canteen facilities to serve the large number of Karyakartas operating here daily. With parking for 135 cars expandable to 270 in the future and built with sustainable design principles, Keshav Kunj is equipped to handle the organization's growing scale. This new headquarters surpasses even the BJP headquarters in size and is expected to serve as the hub of events, training and organizational activities for the RSS. Its inaugural event, Karyakarta Milan, hosted by RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, is scheduled for February 19, setting the tone for upcoming national level meetings. A modern face for an organization rooted in tradition, Keshav Kunj reflects the changing dynamic of the RSS as it moves into an expansive state-of-art home. From here, the Sangh will steer its future course. In New Delhi, this is Shivani Bajaj.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.